In this video, we'll discuss paper support seminar paper 2024-2025, paper 1, part B, prescription. In question number 1, they have given 2/7 of the daily broadcast time, 2/7 of time of a television channel is allocated for educational programs. It is taken for educational programs. Then next they have mentioned 1/3 is taken for children's programs. And 5/8 of the remaining, not just 5/8, 5/8 of the remaining is taken for documentary. Okay. Then first question they ask you Roman number 1. Express the time allocated to the educational and children's programs as a fraction of the daily broadcast time. Educational and this and represents addition. Educational plus children's. Educational it is 2/7 plus children programs time is this one 1/3. We should add them. We can't just add. We should make the denominator common. So when you take 7 and 3, common denominator will be 21. In order to make it 21, I should multiply 7 by 3, up and down both by 3. These 3 should be multiplied by 7. Then 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 7, 7. 7 times 3 21. Then 7 plus 6 will be 13 over 21. This is the total time taken for both children and educational programs. Then express the time allocated, number 2, express the time allocated to the documentary program as a fraction of the daily broadcast time. Documentary program is what? It is taken 5/8 of the remaining. So first of all, you should find what is remaining time. Remaining will be 1 minus 13 over 21. When we are subtracting, here 1 means 1/1 minus 13 over 21. There we should take the common denominator there even 1 times by 21. Because this 1 we consider the total fraction as 1 always. When you are finding the remainder, always we should subtract from 1. Then 21 minus 13 over 21. 21 minus 13 will be 8. 8 over 21. This is the remainder. That's not the final answer. So documentary will be, documentary program, it will be 5/8 of the remainder of 8 over 21. Of means multiplication, should cancel them 5/21. That will be the answer for the time allocated for documentary programs. Okay. Then we should realize that this 5/21 is taken from what? This 8/21. So the remaining time will be 3/21. 13/21 was taken for children's and educational, and another 5/21 is taken for documentary. When I add the total, it will be what? 18/21. So out of 21, 18 is spent by this time. Another 3 is remaining. Okay, they haven't asked anything yet, but once we did up to this extent, we should realize that. Okay, and we'll move to the next question. What they're asking: if extra 2 hours are allocated to children's programs than the documentary, extra 2 hours are allocated to children's program than the documentary, which means children's programs are the time take allocated for children's is greater. Ne? So children's programs is equals to documentary plus 2. So I will send this documentary to the other side. From children's programs, if I subtract the time taken for documentary, it will be equals to 2 hours. Then we'll find what is that fraction. So children's program fraction was 2/7. Yes, that is children's program. No, that is education. Children's is 1/3. 1/3 is the children's program. So from that 1/3, 1/3, I should subtract the time taken for documentary programs. The time taken for documentary programs is what? 5/21. So that should be subtracted. Then 1/3 minus 5/21. Then in order to subtract, I should take the common denominator, multiply by 7 in order to make that 3 to 21. 1 times 7, 7 minus 5/21, which will be equal to 2/21. Subhata, that now this 2 is equal to that fraction, which means 2 will be 2 hours. In the fraction it is 2, really it is 2 hours. Then I want to if T2 is 2 hours, 21 means how many hours? Interchange 21 or 2 times 2, we can find this directly. 21 hours. 2 parts mean 2 hours. So 21 parts means 21 hours, which will be the total time. Total time is 21 hours. Okay, we'll move to the next one. Find the daily broadcast time is allocated for the advertisement after the time allocated for the above 3 programs. After the time allocated for the above 3. So time allocated for the above 3, then the remaining part will be given to the broadcast for the advertisement. Then we'll find the time allocated, which means from 1, I should subtract the time allocated for children's program, educational program, and documentary. For children's programs and educational programs, 13/21. From 1, 13/21 plus education, and the other one is what? Documentary. Documentary is 5/21. So it should be those things should be added. The time taken for documentary, children's, and education. So once we add them, 1 minus here 13 plus 5, 18. 18/21. We can't just add, we should take the common denominator. Denominator is 1 in order to make it multiply by 21. Then 21 minus 18, which will be 21 minus 18 or 21. 21 minus 18 will be 3. 3/21. Yes. So time allocated for the above 3 programs. And for advertisement, 3 means what? 3 hours. Therefore, 3 hours. Total is 21 hours means the time taken for advertisement is 3 hours. I think it's clear.